Good morning, guys, and happy Monday. This is Mr. Locke coming to you live again. I know the videos are probably starting to get annoying, but to be honest, I just feel so disconnected from everything that it just kind of makes me feel a little better. I'd like to feel like I'm talking to somebody, so please bear with me. Though, with that being said, I am having so much freaking fun at home with my kids. Alright, so I'm having so much fun at home with my kids. Life is so good in that sense. But I do feel disconnected from the school stuff. So, on Friday, I was really kind of pissed off. I wanted to kind of take the weekend, think about it, get myself rejuvenated. College Board is making changes with the AP exams, which is going to affect our class in a pretty big way. On April 3rd, they're going to post exactly how the exam is going to be formatted, whether it might be all multiple choice, it might be all open-ended, it's probably a little bit shorter, it's going to be taken from home, most likely, and you're going to have 2 days to pick from. We just don't know those days yet. I'm fine with all that stuff. The thing that did bother me, I will admit, is that they decided to cut out around 20 to 25% of each course. So in this class, they took out waves, which is what we were about to do, which was the PowerPoint I posted and then said, don't worry about doing it, right? And they also took out all of the electricity stuff, so the electric forces and the electric circuits. And that upset me just a bit because we spent a lot of time on electric circuits. It's something I felt like you guys did pretty good on. For some of you, it was like your best chapter. And I don't know, I just think they should have done that differently. I think they should have kept everything in the course, curved the test a little more, and then we would have went from there. Anyway, with that being said, I posted a Google form. So we are now starting our AP review. And with everything going on in this class, going back to before when we even left from the coronavirus, all right? I had a little baby, and I was missing some time, and when I was there, I was doing a sucky job. And then I started coaching with the little baby for a week, and that was really stressful for me. I was probably stressed out. Then all of a sudden, we're learning from home, and we didn't have a day to kind of set it up because I planned on being there that Monday. So it has just felt so disjointed. And now we're leading into our review for the AP test. So I wanted to talk to you face to face, as best as this is, and just kind of pump you up a little bit for the fact that yes, there's going to be changes to the AP test. Yes, there's going to be stuff we don't like. It's not going to be the same situation as it's been in America for the past, however many years. But with that being said, there's still going to be an AP test. A lot of you are still going to take it. There are still going to be results. We're still going to be compared to the rest of the country. You're still going to have a chance to compare yourself to the rest of the country. And we have a more isolated chunk of stuff to study for it, and we have more time to study. So there's no reason why we can't just kill it on this test. Around the country, there's probably a lot of kids that are essentially giving up, that are just mailing in, that are submitting some work, and then not actually studying. But if we can stay focused and really work on this, I think our grades could be awesome. All right, I posted this Google form that this link will also be on to get your feedback on what's going to be best for reviewing for the final exam. All right, please give me that feedback. If there's anything else you want to add to it, just respond to the bottom and add it, or text me, whatever. Just make sure we're on the same page. Make sure we don't stop working. We can slow down a little bit in the sense that I'm not going to have to assign you as many minutes or hours of homework per day because we have the time, but we need to be focused on the time we're working. All right? You guys have a fantastic week. Enjoy your do now today, by the way. It's a fun do now today. And that's that. Bye, guys.